NXT and SAN series, and also on the upcoming XN series, which is a new NAS series for 12 bay, 8 bay, and above. So Samir will present you with all the presentation, and so anything is there along any queries with you, you can just revert, and we will take care of it. And let's you are our arms and ammunitions to position the product in all the on most of the projects, and also the mid market, if you can see the opportunities there, and revert us whenever you have some requirement. So we will share all the details with you. So we are here working along with Esron. So they are our sub distributors in the eastern part. So you can just reach out to them, and parallelly you can reach Samir as well for the BOQ and all and compliance. So Samir, just we can start it here, and with the presentation here. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, so thank you, Yaswal, for introduce. And as from coming to the our product of lines, we started in the year 2004, and it's now been more than 20 years in the market with all our design and all those SKUs. So we started in the year 2004, and with our ODM markets and all our we introduced our SAN units, and gradually we come into the unified storage, which is combinations of NAS protocol. And day by day, year by year, we started designing more and more design technology. And in the year 2020, we introduced our NVMe models also. And by the time in 2025, we come up with new NVMe over fabrics, all this technology we have introduced in our SKUs till now. So when it's we divided into the products into our mainly in four categories, mainly XQ Fast, XQ SAT, XQ NXTs, and XQ NAS. So XQ Fast is basically mainly for our NVMe models, and XQ SAN is a hybrid SAN models which only support block storage protocols. And XQ NXT is called as a dual controller unified model, which is combinations of both file and block level protocol. And XQ NAS, it is a single controller model. It is a rack mount series, which is only for the rack mount series and only for the motherboard series of model. If we participate in this XQ Fast series, it is mainly for the data stores and artificial intelligence and machine learning, and mainly for the high performance computing type of uses. We run into this XQ Fast models. Whereas in the hybrid SAN, we mainly into the data stores, backup, surveillance, and VM type of jobs. We need Xcube SAN series, which is also supports both our SSDs and the hard disk. And SQ NXTs, it is mainly for the production media and the data stores, file sharing purpose, file servers. This we all support in the SQ NXTs. It is the dual controller models that calls NXT pipeline. And in the XCube NAS series, it is mainly for the file sharing servers. It's a lower type of grades which is required on small files or SOHO type of business. It is needed XCube NAS series. So when it comes to this, where we are into these sectors, mainly our deployment is mainly of the enterprise IT sections, large surveillance case types, and HPC and AI, because these all three are divided into our multiple range of products. And some of these expanding ecosystem partners we work with in the connectivity, Broadcom, Intel, Marvell, and in the QSAN supports with the Western Digital Disk, Seagate, and Toshiba, QCS all are supported. And in the virtualizations, recently we come across with the Proxmox and Kubernetes also. And in the backups, those VM is only mentioned here, but we also support Commvault and Veritas and Acronis, all ranges of backup software. And in the surveillance sectors, we support in mainly in India I2V and Milestones, and also we support Infinova or other few. And in the DigiFort and Extensoft is globally it is a reputed brand. We also support to them. And in the media and entertainments, we support with A2 and Tiger Technology. We will start with the one by one our new one by one the product lines. So we come across fast XQ fast. So it is a fast sessions array. So when it comes to this sessions, we come across with our get numerous of reputed magazines and reputed firms also tested our products and reviews, and also they have satisfied with our product. And recently, we have introduced XQ Fast 5200, and along with that, also we have introduced XQ Fast 4200 and 3200 also. So in this series, we our earlier one is XQ 3100, which we have set as a comparison method here. And 5200, it is the high-end technology with PCI Gen 4 support, and it's the ultra micro seconds latency with number of scalability drives or deduplication compression techniques, which all are supported in this new unit, whereas a few of these technologies are not present in our earlier model. So this is purely a sign of advancement of this technology. And we come to these SAN sections. In SAN sections, we have also reviews are provided by various magazines and research firms, and they have tested and qualified our design good to go ahead in this newer technology market. And it is our two. There are two series here we have available. One is called 5300 series, and one is called 3300 series. And this both the series have the same schedules with like 12 bay, 24 bay, 16 bays, and 26 bays. So I think you probably have knowledge about this line of products. This 26 bay is only to small form factors base, and we'll support here our own. We have disk enclosure also. We have and it is also available in 12, 16, 24 bay and 26 bays. And to be surprised here, we also introduced in the last month 78 bays QSAN Jabot also, which I will be telling you in the future slides. And comes to this XQ NST sections. This XQ NST sections, it is a dual controller based unified storage. It support both file and iSCSI and FC protocols, which comes under the block protocol range. The same research firms and magazines review this product also and given their opinions with a superior quality. And this unified storage mainly runs under the high availability because of dual controller mode. It is comes under the high availability mode. There is no need to put another boxes for maintaining the high availability with 99.999 percentage of high availability ratios. And we have earlier 8000 D series, which we have end of lives in last couple of years ago, and we introduced our 81 series and 51 series, and also you can see the performance chart here. So it is quietly go with exponential growth in our new range of products 8100 with the performance is very high. We have introduce this latest generations of CPUs here in this newer model. And as you can see, the IOPS and the throughput is relatively high as compared to the previous model. And in the SQ NXT products, the same rules follows here. It's the same SKUs like 12 bay, 16 bay, 24 base, and one is from the SFF 26 base is also it follows. And this all it is comes with two series 8100 and 5100, and the same also supports of with our QSAN's JBOD series, which comes also with 12 and 16, 24 and 26 base. And this also the comes with inbuilt 10G SFP, and we also have the support with additional host card to support 16G fiber channel, 32G fiber channel, and 32G fiber channel also. And it can be connected up to the 20 numbers of JBots to meet the growing scalability from the customer sides. And it can go up to the 8 to 10, 10 to 12 petabyte of raw capacities if, as per the customer demands and site demands. And in the sections of Xcube NAS, we support with 4 bay, 8 bay, and 12 bay. Also, we have it is we recently introduced with the Xcube PC QSM4, which is our latest OS. We have designed this line with this OS, and in this OS also we support M.2 NVMe to performance to boost the performance. And in these sections, in our coming days, we also comes with the newer model like Accent 2 series, which comes with the 4 bay, 12 bay, and 16 bays also we recently introduced. And that too also comes with all this inbuilt M.2 technology and QSM4 OSM QSM architecture. And here in this, as I told in previous slides, we have introduced our new XF522 series and XN52 series. This XN is XF is for the Flash based OS and XN is for NAS based OS. So the only the OS is different here and the protocol support is different here. The main architecture about this 24.2 and 3.2 is remains same with core of 8 cores and 4 cores both are available, which can be easily identified by the customer's demand, where we can give the 4 core SKUs and 8 core SKUs as per the site's demands and as per the tender spec or something else. So in this way, we can check out so which options we can select and which options is useful from out of these models here. So if you think that any type of NVMe requirement is there, so we have now two, three types of ranges available to select, and also from the flash also and from the NAS also we are available. Just because also we introduce this new technology from the QSM4 OS, which is called QSAN Storage Manager version 4, and it is called as Zevo 3 version. And in the same series, we also introduced the same Zevo 2, which are presently currently running on with Access 3.3 and Access 5.3. And we just recently our launched our that 8.1 and 5.1, which is currently going on from the last 1 year. And in the coming days, we just in this current month and the last month, we already started shipping our XN22 series, rack NAS series, and 8100, which is already running in the market. Also, this XN1 series is comes with tower form factors, and it is also available in the 4 bays and 8 bays, and it is comes with AMD and Intel, both the CPUs available here. So anything in the form of rack NAS, tower NAS, both are available for this moment. And if we compare something between the our new OS, XF is called Block Protocol OS and XN is called File Protocol OS. So this is for the mainly for the block devices, and it is mainly for the file devices. And it support iSCSI fiber channel protocol and NVMe over Fabric. Whereas XN series also support additionally CIFS, NFS, FTP, WebDB as this all are file level protocol. And in the file level protocol, we do also support our worm models also here. In application sector, mainly it is some rsyncs S3 all are available in the XN series, which is available for the unified series model. And in the data protections, this is the common for all, which also supports snapshot, synchronous applications, and storage efficiency. We do have thin provisioning. It is not needed license, whereas other OEMs need license for this thin provisioning. But in our QSANs, it is free of cost. And deduplication and compressions, these all are available right now with the both block level and file level protocol. And also we support ISC, SCD drives, role-based access control, SSL certificate import, all are available right now with our new range of products. And in the product sections, with new product which comes with performance from the NVMe over Fabric, random direct memory access, PCI Gen 4, in storage efficiency, as I told, deduplication, compression, thin provisioning, all are available right now. And also in our new model XN 4 series, 5 series, in the XF 4, 5, the firmware also coming under the mirror mode. So one will be built in the controller and one will be built as a FRU unit. So any in the firmware also, if we got any class, then other models will be take over, and it comes with now 99.49 of redundancy ratios and fault tolerance. And in our JBOD portfolio, as I told, this 26, 24, 16, 12B already present from the very first days. Now coming from last 1 month back, so we introduced our 78-base JBOD also, which comes with 4U rack and also supports SAS drives, and you can populate in a single JBOD up to 2000 RTB of raw capacity here. And also, we support the third-party third-party JBots from the Seagate and Western Digitals, and that too, they have two types of SKUs here, from Seagate 84 and 106, as in Western Digital 60 and 102 ways. So we can populate maximum number of 4 JBots from that line. And from this part, I think is clear. And I also move forward with some new deep knowledge about our product line, which OS we are using. So QSM 4.0 is our NAS operating systems, which is from as I discussed about cache mirror. These QS RAID E, all are the features mainly from the QSAN proprietary OS. It is available, and tiring worm all are free of cost in
Samir,
this NAS. So yes,
Samir, just hold on. Before going to the next session, you can ask if anything, if they have to understand now whatever said the previous slides. Is ask if
okay.
somebody is requiring any information or clarification, they should ask.
Yeah, I
So
just
we have
running Q&A regarding this, the product line.
yeah, yeah, we
So
have
let
we
me
have
include.
Q&A after this. After this sessions, I have time for a Q&A sessions. We will discuss on this. We have 10-15 minutes reserved for that Q&A sessions.
Perfect.
Okay, so this is the OS from the QSAN NAS product lines. And this is the OS Zevo 2.0 and Zevo 3.0. Zevo 2.0 is the running OS in our SAN models right now. And it is the industry leading SWAN platform. So we have introduced these two, combining these two OS into the one platforms, which is our dual controller NAS platforms. We have combined this OS, two OS in a single modules, which is running under right now in the X-Cube NXT series. And we our new generations SAN and NAS also support CSI, Kubernetes, and cloud container storage interface, which is mainly known as a CSI architecture. Also, we support that because of virtualizations needed, some Proxmox, Kubernetes, Docker, all are we support from our SAN and all our new design. And in the we support also deduplication and compressions by the techniques. We can save space up to more than 50 to 70% of space by using this technology, thin provisioning and deduplication and compressions. But here one thing need to remember: deduplications and compression is only work for the SSD's drive. And some of these example cases, so where we deployed our units in a very major surveillance sectors for the Varanasi smart city, where more than 15 petabyte of storage deployed, and more than 7,000 cameras are running in our that storage. And in globally also, we have executed many prestigious projects in Turkey. Some powerful office of powerful VMs backups also we are running. And in the Germany, some universities disaster recovery they have deployed from our unit. And few are there also. So just see, have a look at this slide. And some of our customers in globally it's mentioned here. And in India, we have from last approximately 10 years we are doing business, and we have multiple of prestigious clients ranging from small SMBs to very big enterprise clients also in our clientele. And this capacity, already I mentioned that external JBots we can come populate 4 numbers of, and we can populate 4 numbers of JBots. So we can here conclude this series. So if anything from this you can have any questionnaire or some of your query you can ask. So just let me know. I will apply the mic button to you. Yeah, Mridul, I have allow mic to you. You can ask.
Sabir, you can allow all the participant mics. No.
Okay. Yes, I have did.
Hi Samir,
Hi.
this is Gopal here.
Yes.
So
Hi, Gopal.
recently I have encountered an opportunity, right? The customer has been looking for a tower NAS kind of thing, and
Okay.
they have been looking for with the NVMe. The
Tower
minimum,
NAS with NVMe.
right? The requirement is like maximum support up to 40 TB,
Okay.
and maximum support up to the storage support up to 40 TB, and with a 16 GB RAM kind of thing.
Okay, so that RAM and 40 TB is achievable in Tower NAS because our Tower NAS comes with two means two form factors, mainly 4 bay and 8 bay. So 4
Hmm.
bays also it is called 4 plus 1. Actually, we have four main hard disk base and one base is present inside, which is for 2.5 inch, 2.5 inch only for SSDs, not NVMe. It is only for 2.5 inch SSD. You can put one SSD of 2.5 inch and four normal hard disks, SATA hard disks of 3.5 inch or and also in that 8 base, it is called 8 plus 1, one SSD is inside, but that SSDs are mainly 2.5 inch. As per you are mentioning that you have gone through that NVMe SSDs, regretly, that NVMe SSD is not present in the Tower NAS. It is present in our 4 bay and 12 bay rack NAS. It is available. You can put two numbers of M.2 NVMe modules that available in the 500 GB, 1 TB, 2 TB range. You can put that NVMe in that slots. Also, there are additional hard disk slots in the top of that. So if you have come across NVMe, then it is a good choice to go with a rack type rather than a tower type.
Customer doesn't have space in rack, so that's why they have been asking for tower kind of thing. The
Oh,
exact requirement is they have been asking for tower NAS NVMe with NVMe SSD with total capacity of 32 to 40 TB, right? The minimum
okay,
RAM capacity need to be 16 GB, and it
okay.
should be RAID support up to 0 to 10 kind of thing.
Okay, yeah, that as I said, it's all are okay only for that NVMe SSD. So what they are looking, why they are looking for that NVMe, what they will achieve from the NVMe SSD if they are asking, for what purpose they ask for NVMe? Because
So
they
they
40 TB they are asking from the data disk only, like your normal SATA disk.
no, not in normal SATA disks. They have been asking in
Okay, you
NVMe
mean
SSD.
okay. You mean to say that all the 40 TB they want in the NVMe only.
Right, right.
They are yeah, actually that is purely it is a non standard because if you go with it is NVMe is a very high end performance centric drive, but whereas your NAS is it's a normal entry level of type of things. Wherever you have put your high performance grade disk in a normal NAS, that that does not make sense. Be like this, you are putting high capacity, high technology type of drives in a low grade type of things. So there is no point of asking in that NVMe disk. Even if you take the NVMe disk, your box will not support that much of speed. Then what is the agenda of this taking that? If you are asking for NVMe, then your box, that network port, all should be have that much of strength to capable to deliver that speed of NVMe.
Okay. I mean, I came
You
across
yeah
two models.
you can come you can yes you can if you have any plan to visit or any meetings with them, you can have a meeting with me or have a con call with me. So I will definitely understand them this for these things. So in a Tawarna series, putting NVMe
So
is
customer,
purely a
the partner has suggested two models to the customer. One is the
Mhm,
DS, the Sonology DS 92 something,
mhm.
925 series is there, right?
Okay,
And the other one is the Asus Faster.
okay.
So
No,
these,
yeah. So because no, you if the that is not the solution actually. Because as I mentioned, this is not a solution. They are if the users know, if the users demand that I get the NVMe speed from this box, then definitely that box will not deliver. Even if they also box support the totally that NVMe disk, they will not support. If they require NVMe type of things, then we have another models. It is only support 4 number of NVMe. So, but that 4 number of NVMe also will not get 10 TB of drives in NVMe models. That for sure. So 40 TB of drive in NVMe. You can after this meeting, you can share me that information. I will definitely get back to you on this. So what they have made the wrong decision in that BOQ.
sure.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah. Anyone? Which is any queries from your side? Yespal and Astoshi, can you jointly conclude this session?
Definitely, but I think somebody is asking a Medul. Medul, you have any queries on this?
Hello, hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
Paul.
So
Yes, I will. Yeah.
yeah, we can go ahead with the conclusion. So any queries also, I will share these PPTs and screens after this meeting. So just go through it, and the email ID also shared. Our email ID will be shared along with this PPT, and you can get back to us at any time with BOQ or any tender spec or anything new case. So we'll jointly work. And Yespal, can you share the conclusions here and vote of thanks from your side?
So just going forward, so first of all, thanks for attending and being a patient patient client. And so what one more thing here. So no here Esron, Mr. Ashutosh ji is working for us for the past many years, and also you have been associated with them uh, on the projects and your requirements on the storage part. So what we can do is we can, as Samir told, we will share you all the product details and PPTs in terms of the SAN and Unified as well. And Samir, also on the Alt you can share them so that it can be positioned accordingly. So we'll share the details. And if you have any query related to any project coming up, or maybe you want to position proactively in some of the projects in the government or maybe in the mid market also, so we can share the details with you as for the compliance specs, TR, and the BOQ as well. So we will provide you with the best of the products which are complied and which we can work to where areas where we can work together and increase the business there in the eastern area. So let's Ashutosh ji, I think you can also push all the partners there and to a team to indulge in more projects, and way going forward we can increase the business in that part of the country. So that's all from my side. If anything is there, I will share you my email IDs and details. You can also reach out to me and Samir. And apart, your first contact will be Mr. Ashutosh from Esron. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you everyone for joining this meeting.
Yeah.
We will
Thank you,
share this.
Samir. Thank you, Yashpal.
Thank you,
Yeah,
Ashutosh.
thank you,
Given
Astosh
a
ji,
Thank you,
for.
everyone.
Yeah. Thank
it
you
was a
also
short
for your
time.
tools. Yeah. Thank
No,
you
no, I
for
think
thank you to also to arrange all these
In a
members
short
in a
time.
short period of time.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, welcome.
we'll see you soon. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.